this is the refilm. All right, so we're gonna start with the pencil. I'm gonna start in the arch. Okay, so darkest in the arch, all right? You see I'm just using sort of a swiping motion. And my contacts get dry from staring at one point so long. Okay, so that's the application. Next, you could take a brush like that, but I prefer to use these little guys, okay? And again, I'm going to start in the middle using sweeping motions. And then because you've done that and there's product on there, then you go down to where you want it to be a bit lighter. Darkest in the arch, never by the front because that makes you look mad. All right, quick little brush. You go up, 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 out, 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 and then you smooth them all down into it. Okay. And the very last step is to put a highlighter. So you want a bone color. And a little tiny brush. And that's what makes it pop. And a tiny bit on there. All right, so you can see the difference between both. Okay, I'm gonna put some powder on the next one. Powder, powder. Same brush that I just used to blend. And tap it into my powder. I'm gonna start in my arch again. Nice sweeping motions. And just a tiny. All right. See, and that's why I like powder personally over pencil, because I just find it's a little, just the tiniest bit softer looking. But that's me. All right, finish it up with the highlighter. I feel like I'm gonna make this one a little bit lighter. Simply by combing it. And if you make a little bit of a boo-boo, it's okay, because you just take your freaking highlighter and cover that stuff up. Yeah.